What's your name? Chelsea. You have an English name. Wow. So you speak very well English and you have an English name. Chelsea Kwayali? Did I say good? No. Chelsea Quinn Chayali. Is that
Yeah.
okay? Wow. It's really nice to meet you. And how old are you? 6 years old and you speak so fluently. Really good of you. Can I give you a hand? Nice to meet you.
You ask her, Chelsea. Where did you come from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Oh, Netherlands. Where is Netherlands? You ask her.
It's land in Europe. And it's far away from here. It's flying for 15 hours, so it's really far away. Did you ever flew so far? You went to Singapore. I did not. I never went to Singapore. So you're really brave. You went there. Good of you. You did. Wow. And you remember everything. And you're just 6. You already sound like you're 16. Really good of you.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Makasin.
Yeah, nice to talk with you. Nice to meet you.
It was also my pleasure.
Yeah.
Bye
Okay.
bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.